Hey cookies, Assalamu Aalaikum. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share a famous and traditional Malabarian breakfast recipe, that is Ney Pathil, or else we can call it as rice puris too. This is not a traditional version but an instant version which is very easy to make with a very minimal ingredients, and it tastes equally delicious to the traditional one. So let's get started and check out the ingredients needed for our recipe. For this we need Pathiri podi or rice flour 1.5 cup, raw rice 1 cup, grated coconut half cup, shallots 5 to 6 or a small medium sized onion also goes well, fennel seeds or saunf half teaspoon, jeera 1/4 teaspoon, water 2 cups, salt to taste and some oil for frying. So let's start our preparation. Into a bowl add 1 cup of raw rice, rinse 3 to 4 times and soak it in clean water for half an hour. After 30 minutes, drain the water and add the soaked rice into a blender. Add a glug of water to it and blend this into a coarse batter. The batter should not be smooth, but it should have this granulated texture this way. Now add the batter into a bowl. Then into another blender add half cup of grated coconut. Add 5 to 6 shallots. If you don't have shallots, go for medium sized onion, but shallots are more tastier. Then add half teaspoon of fennel seed and 1/4 teaspoon of jeera and blend this into a coarse paste. Don't blend it smooth, but it should have a coarse texture. Now transfer this into the bowl. Give this a good mix. Then add 2 cups of room temperature water to it. Add the required amount of salt and mix well. Then add 1.5 cup of Pathiri podi or rice flour into the bowl. With the help of your clean palm, mix well. Knead this well until it forms a perfect dough texture. If required, you can add some water to mix, but don't make your dough so soft by adding more water, as there are chances it absorbs more oil while frying. So it should be perfect this way. Our dough is ready, so let's start our next step of preparation. Heat a kadai, add the required amount of oil for deep frying the rice puris or Ney Pathil. While the oil is getting heated up, let's start spreading our pathil or puris. So here I have taken a banana leaf. You can use a plastic sheet too. Smear some good amount of coconut oil to it. Then take a small portion of dough and roll it into a smooth ball without any cracks. Place it on the leaf and apply some good amount of coconut oil to your palm, and with the help of your palm start spreading it. Spread it evenly on all the sides. It should not be too thin, not too thick. It should be this way. Check whether that your oil is hot. Your oil should be hot enough to deep fry the pathil or puris. Slide down a pathil gently and start frying it. Once it's cooked at the bottom, automatically it raises up. That time flip over to another side and fry. Fry the pathils or puris until it turns golden in color. Once it changes its color, you are ready to go. Remove it from the oil and transfer it into a plate. Start preparing the rest of the dough in the same way, but don't forget to smear some coconut oil to the leaf or plastic sheet and to your palms each time while preparing. Now your delicious Ney Pathils or rice puris are ready to serve. Look at the texture, how crispy it is. Serve this hot with any non-veg curry. It tastes heavenly. Here I'm going to serve with another traditional curry, that is Varatarcha koi curry, and it tastes really delicious. So please give a try for this recipe and you will definitely love it. And that's it for today. If you like this video, please do share with your family and friends and hit the like button there. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I update. Thank you for watching. Meet you in another video. Until then, take care.